Hello out there. In this video we are going to install the Postgres database management system, and then we are going to set it up in JetBrains Datagrip. So I decided to make a video because there are a few steps to go through and just to make sure that we all end up the same place. I start out by going to postgresql.org. We select the download. I am going to need for Windows. We'll just use the version 13, that's the newest one, so download the installer. 13 and Windows, here download. That seems fine. Alright, let's open it up. And here we go. So just click next. You may want to select a specific place, I just put it here. We want the server, admin, stack builder, command line tools, that's probably fine, we'll take it all. Store data, yeah. And here we need a password for the super user. So you're going to need this password whenever you want to interact with the database, either from Datagrip or from your program in the semester project. So you need to select the passwords that you don't forget. But it shouldn't be any that you already use somewhere else, because this password is going to be potentially shared between fellow students, or the teacher might see it. Alright, default port is probably fine. You might take a note of this as well. Locale, so which language? I'll just pick the English one for me. United Kingdom. And okay. Alright, that took some time, so I skipped ahead. Alright, that should be it. So let me start up Datagrip. And this is what it looks like. So we want to add a new database here. We go data source, select Postgres SQL. You might find it down here. Mine is at the top because I've used it before. I don't need to change I can change the names if I want to, but I don't care about that. Localhost is fine, and this is the port number that we selected during the installation. We say username and password, and the user is by default Postgres, and this is the password that you typed in when you installed it. There we go. And you can test the connection. And mine is green, so I logged in successfully. And it's just updating here, refreshing. So to verify everything works, we just select here. I have a console open. We want to create a schema just to make sure that this works. Create schema, test schema, like this. And I highlight it. You can see there's a box around it now. I press the green button, and I think it worked. This was a previous mistake. Take a look here, and there's my test schema. So I have now inserted something into the database. This is sort of a project. So your installation is complete, and thank you for watching.